Just in time for some football, everybody.
We are making our granny's taco salad, everybody. Taco salad is not like the regular taco salad that you see, but we have a pound and a half of ground beef here, added in some, seasonal taco seasoning, okay, everybody? No powdered stuff that comes in a package. Whatever rocks your boat, whatever you want to put in there, it's a taco seasoning. It has to be taco flavor seasonings, okay? Now, we did not add in any onions in here because we don't need the onions in this part. We're going to add onions into the taco salad so it can have a nice crunchiness, okay, everybody? Now, here we go with the next step. Today, everybody, we're going to make a taco salad. As you saw before, we are going to go ahead and make this fabulous into a nice bowl, everybody. This is a wonderful spring and summertime salad that we love, nice and refreshing. You can eat it while it's warm. You can eat it while it's cold, or whatever it may be. It's always a good party food, always a good supplement food for a salad for all the kids to kind of eat their vegetables, everybody. So get them to eat the vegetables. Now what we do is we have a bag of Doritos. I usually buy the party size because you feel the bag is almost halfway full anyway, okay? So we don't never want to be disappointed. We always want to make sure we have enough Dorito chips, okay? Now, this is a party size bag, like I said. Then we have shredded iceberg lettuce. We have the blend cheese, which has Monterey Jack cheddar, queso for quesadillas, so quesadilla cheese. We have a asadero as well. And this is a wonderful blend, everybody. Nice Mexican blend. Okay, then we have classic Catalina. It doesn't matter which brand you use. We use Kraft. It don't matter whatever's on sale. It don't matter. Catalina still tastes the same. It's that red looking dressing, everybody. That's the secret that seals your salad together. We have onions here. We have white onions. We have 1.5 onions here. We love a lot of onions in ours. We also have a little bit of green onions. I prefer having green onions in this whole salad, but we didn't have enough and I forgot to get some, so that's okay. We had a little bit of red onion right there. We just want to say hi, everybody. Howdy doody. We don't care about breath stinking with onions. We love onions up in this house, okay? Now we have also some Roma tomatoes chopped up. We chopped up 3 good-sized Roma tomatoes, diced up really nice, and here's our hamburger meat. Now when we did our hamburger meat, everybody, I'm going to show you what that looks like.
Now this is the fun part. You can get the kids involved. They can crunch up the bag of tortilla chips. Very easy. Very easy. And smash them up.
Right. And then we're going to add in the hamburger meat. And we're going to add in all that good old stuff that's included inside of this salad. Now we're going to add in the onions. Okay. Add onions in.
Now we're going to add in the tomatoes and the shredded lettuce. Yeah, we buy our shredded lettuce, everybody, already, so you ain't got to worry about it later. Then we're going to add in the cheese. Yep, we're going to add in the cheese as well. Oh, yeah. Make sure it's extra cheese. Oh, yeah, you got to have extra cheese. Now we're going to mix it very well and make sure it's all incorporated. Now we're going to add in a good old sweet Catalina dressing, everybody. It's a nice sweet taste to it. I know it gets kind of confusing sometimes because we have all kinds of destination islands like French dressing, Catalina dressing. Yeah, don't get it mixed up. You want the Catalina dressing. This is the best dressing that makes this salad pop, everybody. Oh, yes, it sure does. Just make sure you guys keep mixing it.
Okay, everybody. So, there it is. After we mix it up thoroughly, you don't want to make it too soggy, everybody. You see, this stuff is still nice and wet. You just want it wet, everybody. You don't want it soggy, okay? Because sogginess will cause it to be, really soggy fast. Okay, it's gonna be soggy tomorrow, but you don't want to make it too wet. Okay, you just play around with it. You stir it up, just make sure everything is touched with dressing. And we actually have like a quarter left in this bottle, and this was a 16-ounce bottle, so we have a quarter left. Okay, so just in case you want to sprinkle some on later, that's fine too. But everything is nicely distributed throughout the bowl, everybody. This is how you want it. This is how the perfect taco salad is, especially for this time of the year. So I hope you guys enjoy. And if you like, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button below. And make sure you smack up that notification bell. Slap it, you guys, so you can get some more notifications and don't miss any more recipes that's, we're going to bring it up soon. Don't miss it, you guys. All right. Thank you so much for paying attention and watching. And we love ya.
And we'd like to thank Alberta Hainsworth for joining us at our Mama Soul Kitchen YouTube channel. We appreciate the followings, and we also like to say welcome to our yellow table. Thank you for following us. See you guys soon. Bye, you guys.